Endowed with the moderate weather, the region of Val de Sousa has a vast natural and landscaping richness. It is surrounded by lush hills and valleys that can be appreciated from the various belvederes around the 6 municipalities. Its 6 municipalities are bathed by different rivers, bordered by green banks. The quietness of the waterfalls and birds sing are typical of the natural landscapes of Val de Sousa. In the city center, one finds parks and gardens that invite for relaxing walks, alone or with the family. Lakes and creeks, where activities like running around the maintenance circuit or taking a boat for a short trip can be experienced by nature enthusiasts.